fellowship is the year where you put it all on the line, where you take every opportunity possible to cover, to research, to do cases, to gather information from your faculty in terms of how they run their clinics.
Sports fellowships are not arthroscopy fellowships. They're not ACL fellowships. They're not shoulder replacement fellowships. They're not Bankart fellowships. Those are all things that are part of a great sports medicine physician.
I think what sets our fellowship apart from other fellowships is the complexity and volume of the surgical procedures that will be performed and seen, the volume of clinical patients, and the vast experience with covering team sports.
The research opportunity at UT is one of a kind. And so the fellows have the opportunity not just to be involved in clinical projects, they can also be involved in really cutting-edge translational projects like here at the Biomotion Lab.
Biomotion, by definition, is looking at how the joint is functioning under the situation, simulated situation that it is supposed to function. And when the surgeons or fellows look at these numbers, they have a better understanding about the consequence of their decisions during the surgery on the patient outcome on an individual basis.
The coolest thing about the fellowship to me is the faculty that we have and the way they all really want to be invested in the fellows and teaching, and they're here because they want to train fellows to be great surgeons.
My favorite part of the fellowship so far has been the high school coverage and our involvement with the 6A team here locally. We not only get to cover the games, but we really get to get immersed with the team when it comes to evaluating the players on field and making calls as to whether or not they can play, getting appropriate imaging, seeing them in clinic, and all the way to even doing their surgeries with our attendings and seeing them recover afterwards.
Sports fellowships are about taking care of sports and taking care of people that play, participate, and love sports. And I will tell you, there's nothing better to do. There's nothing more rewarding to do.
They will have the ability to treat athletes of multiple levels and really feel confident that they can speak the language and take care of the problems that are unique to that skill set.
I think it's really important that each generation give back to the next generation. I was taught by my mentors, and I think there's a obligation for at least some of us to do the same for the next generation.
I think the mentorship model here allows fellows to be comfortable reaching out and staying in touch during the year and beyond.
Mentorship is incredibly important when it comes to training, and in particular is one of the benefits of a fellowship year. I know that for me, when I was in training, my mentors that I had throughout fellowship are some of the folks who I still get on the phone with if I have a complicated issues.
I think most of our faculty hears back from fellows according to whatever the level of specialty is, and I think that's one thing that we really are proud of and enjoy as part of what we do training.
I hope fellows really understand the value of forming a relationship with a patient. I think that's super important. I mean, these are not cases, these are patients, and the patients have problems and they're coming to you with their problems and they're trusting you to walk with them and do your best to take care of those problems.
The best part of my job is watching fellows grow and develop over the course of the year that we have them here. Everybody comes in at a bit of a different level, but seeing them gain skills and confidence throughout the year is something that I think is really special.
The thing I'm most proud of the fellows that leave here are those that thrive and love what they do.
I feel like this is the first time that I've really felt like I'm ready to take that next step into being a sports med doc. So I've loved Houston. I've really enjoyed both the area and the program. So it's been an overall very positive experience for me.
I want the people who want to be great to come, and I want them to tell me they want to be great. I want them to tell me what they want to do, what their I have a dream speech is, where they want to be when they grow up, and I think we'll have a ton of fun.
Nothing brings me more joy than helping someone kind of find the path that they want to be on and helping them have the skills to get there. I hope when fellows graduate, finish, and leave, they take the sense of confidence with them, that they have the skill set and the knowledge to tackle and perform, not only their simple cases, but also challenging cases, early on in practice.